Hello student, today we are going to learn integration using trapezoidal rule. Actually, we find area under a curve by trapezoidal rule. Represent on Matlab. Okay. X, value of x equal to, within first bracket, 0 colon 0.1 colon 1 first bracket end into means asterisk pi semicolon. Value of x starting from 0, increment means step 0.1 and end value 1 into pi enter. Value of x enter. Value of x is first value, eta next second value, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, etc. Now y equal to sin within first bracket x first bracket end semicolon enter. Y equal to y value, this first, second, third, x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. Okay. Now, if we plot the curve P L O T, plot within first bracket x comma y, enter, we get this curve. We find area under this curve, this area, by trapezoidal rule on Matlab. Okay. Now area equal to TRAP z within first bracket x comma y first bracket end enter. Area equal to 1.9835 by trapezoidal rule. It is clear, my student? Thank you.